Welcome to Austin Creations. I'm Greg. Today we've got some Bradford Pear. Now I've never turned Bradford Pear before, but with all the storms that we have here in the south, there's a booming market. There's a lot of it on the ground. So let's see what we got hiding in this little block of wood. Come and enjoy it. Well, y'all, I like it. I have avoided Bradford Pear because I really didn't think it would have very much as far as grain. I'm somewhat impressed. Alright. We'll flip this around. Take the foot off. Okay, we're done. I'm rather impressed, actually. Like I said, I've actually avoided Bradford Pear because I wasn't convinced that it was going to have a very impressive grain and nothing spectacular. And it's not. But there is actually some flame in here, like in a maple. A little bit of curl. And I am happily impressed. I like it. Like I say, every time we get a good blow, a bit of weather here in Georgia, we have Bradford pears laying on the ground, so there's an abundant supply. I think I will start stocking up on some. And I believe you're going to see some more Bradford pear out of the Austrian Creation Shop. So I thank you for joining me. I appreciate those who have sit through the video. I appreciate all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you haven't already, I'd appreciate you to subscribe and like my videos and tell your friends about them. And I could use all the shares and all the views I could get. And come on back. I've got several other pieces I've picked up quite a few pieces of wood this week. I've got everything from ambrosia, maple, I've got some more box elder, some more walnut, some more hackberry, some cherry. I've even got a piece of heart pine that a buddy of mine gave me that I'm going to see what it looks like. I don't know what all I've got. I've gotten quite a load of wood. I've got some cherry. I got a cherry burl that I need to check and see. It's really too wet to turn yet. It was just cut down during the storms this past week, or a couple of weeks ago, so we're going to let it sit for a little while. But, like I say, come on back and we'll put some more wood on the lathe and see what other things we can come up with. So come on back and join us.